I'm going to be showing you how to claim a $10 no deposit bonus and a $10 no deposit bonus account that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw your profits from it. Okay, so make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any step and you can get your own $10 account without stress. Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to claim a $10 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. Okay, so this is a new campaign from Bold Prime called Social Quest, and they are sharing $300, and it is only 30 people that will receive $10 each. Okay, so it's just 30 people that will be qualified. Okay, so please take a second to like this video so that YouTube can push it to more people. So this is not a demo money, it's a trading credit, but you must complete the social tax first. So if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. And the link to claim this bonus is going to be in the description below. Okay, so once you click on the link, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel. So join my Telegram channel so that you can be getting daily updates like this. All right, so let's talk about the terms and conditions. You can see it right here. So the first one is all participants must possess an active verified Bold Prime account. Then the second one, completion of the required task does not equate to a guaranteed award of the bonus, but rather an opportunity for selection to win. Only those uploads submitted during the eligible campaign period will qualify for consideration. All submissions must include a screenshot of your work as proof. So the $10 trading credit is not eligible for withdrawal. This credit can only be used for margin trading purposes. If you are selected as the winner, the $10 bonus will be credited to your account within 14 business days after your submission has been verified as a winner. The winners will be selected and announced on January 30th, 2026. So in addition, Bold Prime reserves the right to validate, approve, or decline any submissions that do not conform to the requirements set forth in this promotional offer. Okay, so you can see, to learn more about the complete terms and conditions of this promotional offer, please visit Bold Prime official website. So these are the terms and conditions. Okay, so you can go through it. So here is how it works. So the first thing that we need to do is to register. So we have to input our first name, your birthday month, your birthday day, your country, residential address, your zip code, phone number, your email, your password. Okay, you repeat password, and you click on I am not a robot, and you agree to the terms and conditions, as you can see it right here. Okay, so we're going to do that right now. So once we're done doing that, then we're going to click on continue. Okay, so let's do that right now. So I've done mine already, as you can see it. So I'm just going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, a message has been sent to your email. So we're just going to be entering the pin right here. Okay, so I'm going to head on to my email. As you can see it, I've gotten the message. So I'm just going to copy it. I'll copy my pin number. Then I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, you can see me copying it. So I'm just going to head back to the site, then I'm going to paste it. Okay, so once you're done doing that, then you click on continue. Okay, so after clicking on continue, it's going to bring you straight to the site. So you can see my email is now verified. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to be doing is to click on this three icon right here. Then you go to context. So you can see it right here, Bold Prime social context. Okay, so complete simple social task and stand the chance to receive free $10 trading credits. So we are to join the Bold Prime Social Quest, a limited time social media campaign designed to reward active community participation, complete each fixed task, and complete valid proof through the Bold Prime client portal. Okay, so only submissions made within the active phase period will be considered valid. So you can see the screenshot proof required, the things that are required: screenshot proof required, phase-based submission, then the winner. They will announce the winner on the 30th, no, yes, 30th of January 2026. Ignore the 2025. It's supposed to be 2026, not 2025, okay? So you can see it right here. You have to submit your proof. So once you complete the active phase task and upload your proof through the client portal, so you can see it where you have to submit your screenshots. Then the first one, you have to complete the phase task. The second one, you have to take a clear screenshot. Then the third one, you have to upload in client portal. Okay. Then the fourth one, you have to submit within the phase dates. So submissions outside the active phase period will not be considered. So you can see the campaign phases. So follow and subscribe. So you have to follow, like, and subscribe to all official platforms. Like I said before, ignore the 2025. It's supposed to be 2026. So it's a mistake from their side. So you can see you have to send the screenshots proof. Then after that, you engage and share. So you are also to like, to comment, and share any Bold Prime post with caption and using, you can see it, hashtag Bold Prime Social Quest. So you're also to send the screenshots. Okay, so you can see the app review Bold Prime app on Play Store or App Store. So you're also to send the screenshot as proof. So you can see the winner announcements will be on the 30th of January 2026. Okay, so submissions made before the start date of each phase will not be counted. So you can see it. This is how to perform the task. Okay, so let me say it again. After you log in, you open your dashboard, you go to the context section, then from there you select Bold Prime Social Context, that's Social Quest, to access the campaign page. So you complete all required social tasks by following, liking, and subscribing to all official broker social media platforms. Screenshot proof of each completed task is mandatory and must be uploaded through the following parts, okay, which is the client portal, the contest, the Bold Prime Social Quest. So once all steps are completed correctly, your participation will be reviewed by the broker. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, so do well to do yours. We have limited time left. Okay, so if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to register. So we're going to click on create your account. Okay, so we're going to be inputting our details, our first name, last name, and the rest. So let's do that right now. Okay, so we are done inputting our information. So we're just going to click on continue. It's loading. Okay, so a PIN has been sent to my email and phone number. So I'm just going to be inputting the PIN right here. So let's check my email. Okay, this is it right here. So I'm just going to click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to this interface where we are to verify our phone number and also verify our profile, as you can see it right here. So we're going to do that, but before we do that, we're going to click on this. I am 18 years. Then I'll click on continue. Okay, so we're going to be uploading our documents right here. So let's do that. Okay, so I also want to verify my phone number. A code has been sent to my WhatsApp already. So as you can see, it's up there. So I'm just going to be inputting the code right here. Okay, so after doing that, then I'll click on continue. So as you can see, the phone has been verified. So my phone number has been verified right now, and my personal document is still pending. As you can see, it's pending approval. Okay, so my profile has been verified. As you can see it right here, your profile is verified. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to be doing is to open a live account. So we're going to click on this menu button right here. Okay, so we're going to go to accounts, then we'll click on open live account. Okay, so we're going to be selecting the MetaTrader 5 free $10 no deposit bonus. Don't select the $30 or the other one because it requires deposits. Yes, so we're going to be selecting this, the $10. Okay, so you can see the leverage and you can see the currency. Okay, and you can see the terms and conditions, some information about it, the account. This is it right here. Okay, so we're just going to click on continue. Okay, yes, so my account has been successfully created. So I'm going to go to my Gmail to get my login details, or I can also get the login details from here. It's just that I can't show it, but I can also get the login details from here. Okay, so we're going to log into MT5 right now, so let's do that. Okay, so we are right here. So I'm going to be imputing the name of the broker, which is Saracen. Yes, see it here, Saracen Markets Limited. So I'll just click on it. Then I'm going to be imputing my login ID and my password. So after doing that, I'll just click on login. So I'm just going to click on login. So let's do that. Okay, as you can see, I've gotten the $10 no deposit bonus. As you can see it right here, I've gotten the $10 no deposit bonus. Okay, and I can trade with it and also withdraw from it. Okay, so regarding the terms and conditions, we have them right here, as you can see it. Okay, so the account will be valid for a period of 90 days from the date the credit was granted, and for you to be able to withdraw, profits are equal to or higher than $20, and you have to trade at least 5 standard lots. Okay, and only $20 can be withdrawn, as you can see it right here. So if the account is inactive for 30 days or more during the 90 days validity period, the $10 credit will be cancelled. Yes, so if the account is stopped out, the $10 credit will be settled. Okay, so these are the terms and conditions that we all need to know. So you can go through it. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.